Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix no sound issue on your iPhone. So guys, if you're facing this problem but you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, today in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to make sure that your volume is up. So guys, after making sure that your volume is up and you are still facing the problem, then you have to make sure that the silent mode is not enabled. If it is enabled, then you have to just simply disable it and check if the problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you have to just simply drag down your control center and make sure that the do not disturb mode is not enabled. If it is enabled, then you have to just simply disable it and check if the problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you have to just simply open the settings app and tap on Bluetooth and make sure that you are not connected to any of the accessories. So guys, if you are connected to any accessories like headphone, speaker, so you have to just simply disconnect it and turn off the Bluetooth and check if your problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you have to just simply update your device to the latest version of iOS, and after that scroll to below. Here tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your all settings for one time. So guys, after doing this, if your still problem is there, then you have to just simply take a small brush and remove your case and clean your speaker and then check if the problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you have to make sure that your speaker is working properly. If it is any error on your speaker, like if it is damaged by anything, then you have to just simply go to the Apple store and you have to just simply give your phone and they will repair your phone. So guys, you have to do this, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If the video helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.